Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon, and evening. We are PBL RKS 509, and the title is Pentest VAPT Project Kominfo Cluster F1. And we have our team. The first is Manager Project, Mrs. Festi Windasari, me, Brianda Kilvama Putra as a leader team, and my friend. The first is Dikra Nur Khalif, Firdaus Asma'i, Febi Widyaloka, Gita Juliani, Farhan Ainun Hanif, and the last is Dimas Filza Ramadan. The next slide will be explained by Febi Widyaloka.
Thank you, Brianda. This slide is project description and target system. In this project, we conducted penetration testing on Kominfo web application. The main goal is to identify security vulnerabilities within the application without having access to the system internal information. The testing was carried out using tools such as Nmap, Zip, and Burp Suite. The target system tests are the following websites: https easybottom.go.id and https silatasbottom.go.id. Throughout this testing, we aim to uncover security gaps that can be addressed to enhance data protection and public service security. The next slide will be explained by Firdaus Asmai.
Okay, thank you, Fabi, for this opportunity. So, the first what we do is we have a scanning phase. So in the scanning phase, we utilize the following tools to identify vulnerabilities in the system and analyze its security aspects, such as open ports, insecure configuration, or web application weaknesses. The tools we use include number one is Nmap, and OWASP is used for spot scanning and identifying open ports, and the second is Burp Suite we use for security testing of web application. So the next slide will be explained by Zikra. Thank you.
Thank you for the chance, my brother Firdaus. Next is scanning. In the scoping stage, we identified our key target, the application silatasbottom.go.id and easybottom.go.id hosted on the same server. We also outlined the assets, network services, and protocols that require analysis, ensuring the scope was clear and actionable. Moving on the result. As you can see on the slide, we have a vulnerability found on the easybottom.go.id using Zaproxy as scanning tools. There is metadata expose and vulnerability JavaScript library. That's which has the high risk and low confidence. Next, on the Nmap, we have our Nmap scan reveal the following open ports and their corresponding services: port 43 or HTTPS, port 80 HTTP, port 53 DNS, port 5060 SIP, and port 2000 Cisco SCCP. Next. On the result of scanning silatasbottom.go.id, we have minor vulnerability and also medium vulnerability, which is the session token on the link on the URL. And since the silatasbottom.go.id and easybottom.go.id has the same server, we don't need to rescan the port. Okay, thank you. Next will be explained by Gita.
Is exploit tools. Exploitation phase, we used the following tools for this penetration testing project. These tools we help identify weaknesses in web application and include security details such as open ports, as well as control the IP address during the exploitation process. The tools we used are: 1. Zaproxy, leverage vulnerabilities in the application to perform SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and other attacks. And second, Metasploit, targets open ports and exploits the discovered vulnerabilities. And 3, proxy time, used to control the IP address during the exploitation process by routing traffic through a series of proxies. And the next slide will be Brianda.
Okay, thank you, Gita. And this slide is exploitation. The first exploitation, we using the XKL map tool. We perform vulnerability testing on Silatas, which is protected by DIGS authentication. So in exploitation, we exploit two websites, Silatas and Easy. So the second is we exploit Easy Batam. As you can see, we try to enter the database by sending a username and password, trying to retrieve data from the database and use proxy chains to eliminate the original IP. Okay, so the third is exploitation in Silatas. It shows the step of using the Metasploit framework. The focus is on the testing authentication on the target VNC server. It has not been successful in brute force login attempts with empty username and password combinations because it has strong authentication protection in server Kominfo Batam. So the last is exploitation. We attack using a random user again to discuss, identify, and using tampering technique or what can be called to discuss or modify the payload. And the last use of SQL map to test SQL map injection vulnerabilities on the target URL is silatas.batam.co.id by sending post parameter. Okay, the next slide will be explained by Farhan Ainun Hanif.
Okay, thank you, Brenda. The next is logbook. As you can see in the slide, in this logbook session, it can be seen what we start our PBL by choosing members and titles for our PBL. And the next step is because we get an outside client, namely Kominfo, we have to make an NDA and continue with the implementation, which in this pen test begins with scanning and as explained by my friend before in the previous slide. That the tools we use are Nmap, the proxy, burp, SQL map, and so on. In between PBL, we try to meet as often as possible with our project manager to explain progress and obstacles, if any. Next. The next is when the scanning stage is complete, we continue with the exploit, where we try to use the Metasploit and proxy chains tool. But because we think the website is quite tight, the information we get is very minimal. Then at the end, we made a final report and PPT for the end of the semester. Next will be explained by my friend Dimas.
I'll take it from here. Thank you, Farhan. So for the constraint, we have time constraint, a limited time available to truly explore all the feature of the application, and limited time. The limited time here is referred to the project duration, which is relatively short, around 4 to 5 months, and it was difficult to gain access as it was always detected as having no authorization. And last is despite the efforts we made, we were unable to bypass the WAV, the web application firewall. Next. And for the conclusion of our project, here the summary of our progress. There is the penetration testing is progressing well, and particularly in the scanning phases where several vulnerabilities were discovered. We have also conducted exploitation on the system. To pentest completion target, the penetration testing has been completed according to the schedule that was set. And for the final result, in the final result of this project, we identified that the process was hindered due to the challenge such as the inability to complete the exploration progress. I'll give it back to our leader, Brianda. Thank you.
Okay, thank you all, my friend, to explain about project Pentest PBRKS 5.9. So this is the last. This is the last presentation about pen testing Silatas and Easy with the PBRKS 509. I think that's all to explore scanning and exploitation and mitigation in pen test. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Bye bye.